Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm sharing my latest order from Revive Essential Oils. Still got the holiday box going on, have some leftovers from Christmas time. This, I try to do an order once a month from Revive. It's one of my favorite essential oil companies because they have big names, they have dupes for those. And they also have everything literally that you need, like hand soap and cleaner and all of those extra things. And it's so affordable, sometimes even more, less than a bigger oil company. So I'm just gonna open this and show you guys what I got this month. I got this marble bottle holder for our mantle downstairs above the fireplace. So I'll show you once I put it there what it looks like. Oh no, I'm gonna have to cut this one. I think this was on clearance too. So run and check to see if they still have these. I don't know if they're gonna restock or why it was on clearance, but it was like $6. It's really cute. Let's see if it will show you. There you go. So it has 3 different spots for oil bottles, and that's usually how much or how many I have up there. I have a little diffuser up there, and so it'll hold them and look neater than just setting them up there. It's really pretty. It's like gold and sparkly and silver, like marble looking little holder. And then I got a bunch of essential oils, and I was looking at Doterra dupes because I used to be Young Living and I know what they're all about, and I've tried like almost every single thing from them, but I have not looked into Doterra yet, and I'm not going to, but I wanted to see the dupes that Revive had. So a lot of these are the Doterra dupes, and I will put on either side of this just like some more information about each oil because I thought they were really interesting. One of them was that Yarrow Pom, which you see, or like I used to see them take this and just put a dropper down their tongue, and it was like a video and displaying all of the different benefits of it. But it's basically, it's labeled as an internal or an ingestible supplement. So 1 drop, and then it's yarrow flower and pomegranate seed oil. Lots of benefits to be claimed, so I'll put them here, but I'm interested in this, and yarrow I love. It's kind of similar to tansy where it has the camozuline, which makes it blue, but ooh, look how beautiful that is. And it smells similar to blue tansy as well, and if you watch my videos, blue tansy is my favorite essential oil, but ooh, that smells really good, but it's labeled as a supplement. So again, I'm gonna try this for a while and let you guys know what I think. Next in the dropper bottle, I got Healthy Cuticles. I have extremely dry hands, and it only gets worse with age for me, I swear, so I have to have this type of product everywhere, my desk, my car, my purse, my coat. I have to have a lotion or something like this because my hands just look disgusting and crack, and actually it cracks and leads and gets like bad in that way too. So I did a video on making your own cuticle oil a while ago. I just made it in a roller bottle, but I like this dropper. It might be easier to get a bigger quantity out. But anyways, this one is avocado oil, grape seed oil, and then jojoba oil, hemp seed oil, oat kernel oil, and then the essential oils lemon, lavender, rosemary, geranium, frankincense, and myrrh. So a good smelling blend too. Let me put, so I'm assuming it's probably not gonna focus, but you just put a couple of drops, I'll massage it in. It smells really, really good. You could even split this up if you were like me, or just get a couple of bottles, but you could split it up and put some in another bottle so you can have it in other places, but it works really good. They look, can you see before and after? I don't know if you can see, but I have to do this side now. These have a healing, frankincense is more of like skin healing essential oil too. So if you have that like cracked and dry, get it right here on the side of my finger for whatever reason, just like bleeds. It hurts so bad. No matter how many times I put lotion on during the day, it's just super bad. Here is the cuticle oil. I have 3 oils left, but I also pulled up on the website different benefits so I could talk about them just for a second too. So going back to Yarrow Pom, this supplement, powerful antioxidant support, removes free radicals and promotes cell health and nourishing to the skin. So it can be used obviously topically too. And then to promote a healthy metabolism, consume 1 to 2 drops of Yarrow Pom daily. I'm into that. I'm all about enhancing or making my metabolism faster. Yarrow Pom and its herbaceous aroma is gentle yet effective to promote young and healthy looking skin, so you can use it in skincare. Blue tansy is one of my favorite oils to use in skincare, and it being similar to that, I can see how that would work. Oh, jam-packed with incredible benefits. Just a few drops of Yarrow Pom elevates a massage. That's a really good idea too. And then deep blue color can help reduce the appearance of varicose vein and promote rejuvenation. So circulatory type of oil too. So that was Yarrow Pom, and then I have 3 left. Yarrow Pom was what size is this? $25 for this size. You can also get a 30 ml, which is 3 of these for $50, which is a good deal if you are into it and using it every day. That's a really good option. I'm sure it's way more expensive through Doterra. And then the Healthy Cuticles is $12. And then you can also get a 2-pack, which I was just saying a couple to put in different places, but a 2-pack is $20. So wanted to share that before I share the rest of these. And this was on clearance, I think, for around $6 or $8. Endo Plus is, I believe, like a hormone support essential oil. It's rosemary, geranium, mandarin, tangerine, juniper, and cilantro, which is super interesting. It smells very strong, so you're getting a lot of that geranium and tangerine. It smells good. This one says supports liver function, detoxify, clean air are the main uses, and then start your day by drinking a cup of tea with 1 drop of Endo Plus. Diffuse in 2 to 4 drops to purify the air. What essential oils would be purifying? I'm interested. Maybe cilantro, rosemary, juniper, maybe. Mix with some carrier oil and apply to soles of feet to help the body detoxify, which is super interesting there. I'm gonna look up some studies on that, but that's why I got the rest of these 3 is because they have some interesting claims, and maybe I'll do a blog post, I'm not sure, but just on supporting those claims, because I think that's interesting. So let me know if you want me to go delve into more about that. Then Mrs. MRS is the next one. This is the version of doTERRA's Whisper, if you're familiar. So it's in fractionated coconut oil. So it is pre-diluted, and it's patchouli, bergamot, Hawaiian sandalwood, rose, flower, vanilla bean absolute, jasmine flower, cinnamon bark, vetiver root, AJNA leaf, which I'm not sure what that is, cocoa seed, and ylang ylang. So a really huge blend of some really good oils. Some of my favorites. Patchouli I love, jasmine, ylang ylang, whatever. Oh my goodness, that smells really good. Oh, that is a lot to take in. It's very perfumey. So rose flower, vanilla bean absolute. When you add vanilla absolute to anything, it just elevates the blend so much. I talk about that with Revive, or who has the best blends? Eden's Garden. They put vanilla in a lot of their blends, and it smells so good. So this one, the majority use of Mrs. is like perfume, I believe. So combines with each individual's chemistry. So that I love. I used to do the perfume section at Ulta, and I loved testing out different perfumes on people because it smelled different on everyone, and it works different with different body chemistry. So for sure, I can see that. And that's why people will put patchouli on and hate it and smell different than when I put patchouli on, and it kind of mixes with my body too. So, or any essential oil, not just patchouli. So this provides a warming, musky aroma, definitely. Ices and intrigues the senses very much so. It's a lot to take in, and it smells really good. I'm gonna put it on because once it goes on and blends with your skin, it's going to smell different. It smells good though. It's very earthy and low, lightly floral, deeper florals, not like the bright floral Joy, the blend Joy of essential oil. I love it. I need to let it sit, but that smells so good. Let me know if you've tried the one by doTERRA Whisper, and let me know if you like it. You can add a drop or 2 to the inside of your wrist or to the nape of your neck for a delicate personal fragrance. Diffuse a few drops to experience emotional balance, and add a drop or 2 to aromatherapy jewelry, which I love. I'm not wearing currently, but I love having that, just like a little necklace with a little bead on it, and you can smell it throughout the day. The last essential oil, let's see, how much was Mrs.? $26. And it is pre-diluted, so I feel like that's a good price. If you're just buying this as a perfume, $26 is so affordable compared to like $100 a bottle. All I can smell is that now. It smells so good. Restore is last. And this is a Revive version of the doTERRA DDR Prime, which also went down a rabbit hole and was super interested in. So this is a blend of frankincense, wild orange, Lucetta, or Litsia, thyme, clove, summer savory, niaouli, and lemongrass. Benefits being antioxidant properties, boosting the immune system, improving nervous and brain health. Again, super interesting. I might just dive into some research on those things because I always find that interesting. This is also labeled as a supplement. So 1 drop, and you mix 1 to 2 drop into your juice or smoothie for uplifting energy and boosting a healthy immune system. And I already had my smoothie today, so I'm gonna have to try that tomorrow. You can also add it to a glass of water with honey or to a glass of tea. to maintain immune health and prevent oxidative stress. Used in massages, so used topically, boost skin cell regeneration by mixing 3 drops of Restore with 5 drops of jojoba carrier oil and applied on sensitive or sore skin areas. That's really interesting. I need to know more. It's very sweet and earthy. I'm gonna check out Doterra's website on this. So Doterra DDR Prime. I feel like there was more on their website. So right off the bat, they are different sizes, but the Restore 10 ml from Revive is $14. And a 15 ml bottle from Doterra is $50. So again, like I said, the price difference on Doterra and Young Living versus, actually this isn't the exact Doterra website, so that price might not be accurate. Anyways, primary benefits: supporting healthy cellular integrity, protects body and cells from oxidative stress, saying to use it to consume daily to protect the body from oxidative stress. I'm gonna look into those more. Let me know if you've tried any of these. I'm excited to try new and different oils that I've never tried or smelled before. Super excited about my healthy cuticles. I have such a problem going on. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. My link to shop Revive will be down in the description below. Let me know any of your video requests down in the comments below, and I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.